Hi and welcome to the third video in our series of the Cheats Guide to Road Law, in part of the Apply Safe Driving Behaviours and Understanding Road Law component of the course. Today we're going to look at, or in this video we're going to look at Rule 25, Subrules 1, 2 and 3, which is known as speed limits elsewhere. In this video what we're really going to look at is the whole situation of understanding what the speed limit is when you don't find or can't see a speed limit sign. So in the scenario that I'm painting for you here today, or drawing for you, is you're happily driving along a road at 80 kilometers per hour to a point where you reach a T-intersection. Before you turn out on that road, regardless of whether you're turning left or right, you don't notice any speed signs, so you sort of think to yourself, well, what is the speed limit here? Well, that's where Rule 25 kicks in, and it says if a speed limit sign does not apply to a length of road, and the length of road is not in a speed limited area or a shared zone, then the speed limit for that portion of the road is the default speed limit. And when it comes to default speed limits, there's actually two in Victoria. There's a default speed limit for a build-up area and a default speed limit for a non-build-up area. And to find that information, you actually need to turn to the dictionary, which is referenced in the road rule. And the dictionary is a really important part of the road rules, and it will help you understand what you're trying to do correctly yourself and what you're trying to teach your clients. So in the picture you can see here that I'm drawing up, there is buildings and infrastructure beside the road, and pretty much any time you are driving along a road that does not have any speed signs, but you notice there are buildings no more than 100 meters apart beside the road, and or street lighting no further than 100 meters apart for the length of road, for no less than 500 meters, or for the total length of the road if it is less than 500 meters, then you are in a default speed limit of 50. So that road will have a default speed limit of 50. Likewise, you'll see when I start to draw the next road, if you are driving down a road, or once again you reach an intersection and you turn onto another road, and you're driving down that road and you notice that there are no houses or street lighting 100 meters apart for no less than 500 meters along that road, and it's sort of like just trees and grass and whatever the case may be, well, then you know that the default speed limit of that road is actually 100 k's an hour. The important thing to realise is that here in Melbourne there are roads like that within the suburban road network. You don't really need to travel outside of Melbourne too far to get roads that have a default speed limit of 100. That's quite amazing, but they do exist. So that's the sort of information you're going to be passing on to your students. You turn onto a road where there's street lighting and houses and buildings beside the road, can't see a speed limit, treat it like it's 50. You turn onto another road, no houses, no street lights, no buildings beside the road, default speed limit's 100. I hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next round of videos. Bye.